Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 8 and 7 from the practice exam 1 which covers chapter 1, 2 and 3. Solve the inequality for x. 7x minus 35 is less than negative 4 times 2 minus 4x. So let's keep the left hand side as is, the right hand side, and we'll keep the inequality as well. Distribute the right hand side. So negative 4 times 2, negative 8. Negative 4 times negative 4x, that is positive 16x. Then you have to group all the x to one side. So either you can group it to the right hand side or group it to the left hand side. That is, it doesn't matter whichever way. So I'm going to keep it on the left hand side, all my x. So it's going to be 7 minus 16. That will be a negative 9x. Then bring this guy down, which is negative 35, less than, bring the negative 8 down. So these two cancel out. Now you have to isolate the x. So add 35 to both sides. So that will become negative 9x is less than 35 minus 8. That will be a 27, positive. Now going to divide by negative 9 both sides in order to isolate the x. So that will be x, and then 9 goes into 27 3 times, negative 3. But watch, this is actually an important step where we are dividing the inequality by a negative sign, negative number. Whenever you divide an inequality by a negative number, the inequality gets reversed. So x less than will become greater than. So only when you divide by a negative number, so you have to reverse the inequality. But if it is divided by positive number both sides, you don't have to reverse the inequality. Problem number 7. Solve the inequality for x. Negative 2 over 7x plus 13 is more than or equal to 3. So negative 2 over 7x plus 13 more than or equal to 3. So we are going to isolate the x. So take the 13 to the other side. So subtract 13 on both sides. So we get negative 2 over 7x is more than or equal to negative 10. So now we are going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal, so which is 7 over 2 to get rid of the 7 and then to get rid of the 2 as well. So we are going to multiply both sides by 7 halves. So it will become that 7 gets crossed out, then 2 gets crossed out, 2 gets crossed out here with negative 10, which is 5. 2 goes into 10 5 times. So we are left with negative x more than or equal to negative 35. 5 times 7 with a negative sign. Again, as we did in the previous problem, we are going to divide by a negative number, which is negative 1 both sides, to make x positive. So you get x greater than or equal to becomes less than or equal to, because you are dividing by the negative number. For the same reason that we stated earlier, because we are dividing both sides of the inequality by a negative number, the inequality gets reversed. Hope this video helped.